Yeah, I think so cryptocurrency in its current state, and most likely for our future too, it is complicated, right? To be able to understand what it actually means and how it compares and what makes it maybe better, you really have to understand some fairly complicated concepts, and that is pretty much where we as an agency come in. But also, I think where Nimiq as a whole really comes in, because it's about offering solutions that don't take away from the decentralization, while taking away pretty much all of the complication, right? Making it less abstract. So I think what cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency projects really strongly need is user experience. Easy to get, easy to use interfaces. And that user experience in cryptocurrency is quite a big challenge, because so many things don't work, as people know, from pretty much every other platform or digital service, right? If I forget my password, I'm not going to be able to reset it if I'm actually working with a proper non-custodial wallet, right? And so you need to come up with other concepts. How can you basically, give people a feeling of security and make it easy for them to use, while not completely overwhelming them with new stuff? Then at the same time, what you really want to do is you want to educate your users. You want to explain, why is this relevant? Why do I need that? Without spooking them. So there's a lot of limbo that you have to do as a cryptocurrency project in order to be applicable to everyday people, while at the same time staying true to the ideals of decentralization.